Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy millet khichdi recipe, ideal as a filling meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make millet khichdi, I have already soaked 1/4 cup of sama rice, also known as little millet, for about 6 hours, and along with that I have also soaked tur dal. When you're cooking with millets, it's always ideal to soak millets for a longer time. At least for a minimum of 6 hours of soaking is ideal to help with the digestive issues and also to help with the nutrient absorption. So always try to soak millets a bit longer than you would normally soak rice. This has been soaking for about 6 hours now. I'm going to rinse the dal and the little millet and then add on to a strainer. The dal and the little millet are rinsed and kept on a strainer. Into my pressure cooker, I'm adding in this drained dal and little millet. Add in 2 cups of water, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Close the pressure cooker, turn on the flame. After the first whistle, reduce the flame to the lowest and let it simmer for exactly 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame and allow the pressure to depressurize by itself. Okay, the pressure has depressurized by itself, so I'm opening the cooker. Add in half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Give it a good stir. Okay, now the khichdi is of the perfect consistency. It is neither too thick nor too thin. So this is the consistency I prefer. However, once it cools down, it may thicken slightly, and if you feel you need to thin it out, you can add in a couple of tablespoons of hot boiling water to make it into the correct consistency. And now I'm going to keep this aside and give a tadka to this. I'm heating my tadka pan with 2 teaspoons wood pressed groundnut oil. You can use A2 desi ghee instead, or any wood pressed oil of your choice. 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. 1/4 inch ginger finely chopped. 3 to 4 shallots finely sliced. Give it a stir. Allow the shallots to turn light golden brown in color. And once the shallot starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 4 to 5 whole red chilies. 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. This is just to give a color to the tadka. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. Give it a stir. Once the chilies are lightly roasted, pour the tadka over the khichdi. Give it a stir. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves, and my super healthy millet khichdi is ready to serve. Just before serving, squeeze a little bit of lemon. So guys, do try this healthy millet khichdi recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.